Outside was chilly and we were silly as young hearts tend to be. It was snowy, so very snowy. Whenever it snows, I dream of our own little snow town. Hearing the bells in my head, I hope you hear them too when it's snowy. And memories glow on the edge of the frosty windows, while the tips of our noses turn red. I hope you feel them too when it's snowy, so very snowy.